If I had to make a curriculum for portrait painting, I would start in the first year the drawing skills, developing your drawing skills. That's the fundament. The second year I would pay attention only to tonal values. The third year in color. So the third year in color. I see people starting from scratch in color and they wonder why they get stuck. So that's a battle that you can't win. I would say separate these three things. In another video I'll show you about the drawing skills. This one is about the tonal value. But what is tonal value? And why is it so important? Tonal value means the contrast between light and dark. So nothing to do with color. 4 squares of different colors, but in a grayscale they are almost the same value. Again, 4 squares of different colors, but different in value. The same example, but with the picture that I will paint. I convert this image to black and white, and I select here a middle tone and see how this tone is related to the surrounding tones. This exercise is about understanding these differences. In my video Better Photography for Portrait Painting, I showed you how I made this picture of my model. I use charcoal for the drawing and well, let's start. I make my palette. I use ivory black and titanium white. Ochre for making a more neutral grey. I could use raw umber, and some painters do so, but I prefer to correct the bluish ivory black with ochre. I make a grayscale of 10 steps. Number 10 black and number 1 white. First I fix the drawing with the charcoal fixative and I start painting the face from the darks to the lights. For a good likeness, tonal value takes precedence over color. It's the value contrast that makes the portrait. So train your eyes to see these contrasts. Step back, almost close your eyes and compare. Squint. I would advise you all to do this useful exercise. There is more I can tell you about black and white or the tonal value. I decided to make the shawl here lighter than here. And there is a reason. And that has to do with chiaroscuro. I will explain you in one of my next videos. Also, I decided to destroy these bow's edges. And that's about lost and found edges. Also one of my next videos. So see you back soon.